In today's video, we are completely changing up the BMW S1000RR. From powder coating the wheels, to new winglets, to a whole new fairing set. And after, we met up with Mad Maxi since he was in town, and went to a bike night where we finally got the chance to show off the bike. This video is sponsored by A Motopart, which is your one-stop shop for custom fairings. The paint job and fitment on these fairings are bar none, and the pricing and turnaround times make A Motopart hands down the best for aftermarket fairings. If you're looking to reamp your bike, head over to amotopart.com and be sure to use code FASTFLOW at checkout to save you quite a bit of money. One last shout out to A Motopart for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into the customization. We just got back from a ride, so as you can see, these wheels are pretty dirty. Alrighty, today is officially the day all the new fairings and the new wheels go on. You guys seen the wheels get powder coated from the boy Ryan. We got the whole new fairing set that I haven't told anybody really about yet. This paint is absolutely immaculate. We got some little red decals I ordered to cover the blue badges on the BMW, again to match the red for the wheels. But before I show you guys the fairings, check out these crazy winglets that are going on the bike. Big shout out to the homie Vic Lee. He actually custom makes these, 3D prints them, and then makes them into a full carbon fiber. Look at that flake and that white. Cat is out of the bag, man. These fairings are full white with that pearlescent flake in it, matched with those cherry red wheels. Gonna look absolutely insane in my opinion. A Motopart kills it absolutely every time with the paint job. Done multiple sets through A Motopart and really can't complain at all, man, when it comes to the fairing quality. Also forgot to mention too that all these fairings that are going on the new bike are fully ceramic coated already from the boy Trevor. The 9H that he puts on there will definitely protect that paint a little bit more than what that standard factory clear coat does. Plus you get all the added benefits of you know, just when you go to wash the bike, everything wipes off, it's water beads off the bike, makes the cleaning process of the machine super easy. What's funny too is I always thought about doing red wheels with the red bike. I know these fairings are orange now, but now you guys can kind of see what the bike would look like with the red wheels. This is going to be the color scheme, the tricolor.
That's it. That's all we're putting on. That's it.
That's the whole new fairing kit right there. Hey, shout out A Motopart. Let's go.
Hey.
Done. Oh, man. We're not even in the sun, just under the garage lighting. Oh my goodness, that flake is incredible. I asked them for a little bit of a flake into the paint, kind of let them do what they want on it, and man, I couldn't be more happier with the way it turned out. God, that black looks so good now. We in the garage jamming right now, if you couldn't tell. Hear all the pops and the clicks. That's what we like to hear, baby. That A Motopart fit, man, is crazy. It fits perfect.
hottest beats.
Well, we are officially on the new color scheme. It turned out absolutely amazing in my opinion. I love the white, black, and red so much, and I've been wanting to do this for quite some time now, so I'm gonna stop here in just a minute because we're meeting up with the boy Mad Maxie. He's actually in town. It has been a minute since I've seen him. From there, we're gonna be heading to Cycle Gear. There's a big bike night going on out there tonight, and I posted it, so if you guys are following the Instagram, you definitely would have seen the color scheme by now. The boys. What's good? How's the journey, bro? You're tired, you're tired, bro.
One love.
Ah, bro, look at this fucking thing, eh? Oh my god.
Nice bird.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, I
What?
had them first.
Oh yeah? The same exact ones?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah. Nice locksmith key.
Mine, what is it?
A locksmith key.
Yeah, I know. It came with it.
Oh man, the boy Maxie, bro. Look at this thing. You got a little bottle of nitrous out the back of it. No, it was actually a giveaway bike. Somebody won that, and this dude's driving it. Sorry, this dude's riding it across the country, basically. That's crazy, man. I forgot to show you guys the bike from the GoPro perspective, but you've already seen the cinematics. You know what it looks like. I'll show you guys when we pull up the Cycle Gear because definitely gonna be showing this bike off there, man. Dude's got the Insta360 pointed off the side. Oh, he's got like 15 cameras on that bike. Oh, Maxie, he's chasing that wheelie so hard, bro. I can't get over that bike, yo. Oh my lord. We got the airbag vest on though. That's mad props, man. I really need to give you one of those. This dude's money hopping. Do it again, do it again. Ah, let's go! Let's fucking go. That shit's hard, bro. Little baby ones right now, but hey, he getting it. That's tough. And what a good way. Bunny hop is so sick. He's certified. He's damn, that was a big one. What's good, bro?
How high
This
is the back wheel?
dude, those were looking great, bro.
Does it look sick?
Yes, dude. You're certified, bro. You're certified. Bro, what are you doing, bro? Fuck you.
Oh god.
Get out of my way, dude.
I'm
Get the fuck out of my way. What's up, dude?
See you all over Instagram and shit.
Yeah. Hell yeah, dude. What's your name?
I'm Ryan.
What'd you think of it?
It's fucking sick.
Yeah. It turned out pretty good.
First thing I do, I want to get an S1K. First
Yeah.
thing I'm gonna do is get those DRLs.
Yeah.
They look fucking sick.
Hell yeah. What's up, bro? We got the Beamers. The 2023. Whose piece of shit is this? What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
How are you?
Good, you?
Doing good, doing good. Dude! What's good, boys? How are you? Long time no see, bro.
How you been?
I've been good, bro. How you been?
Not bad.
Got the fucking bike. Dude, I haven't even seen it in person yet.
You haven't seen it in person?
No. This thing is slam, bro. I should have known. With you and your bikes, you always put them bitches on the ground. Dude, it looks so good. Oh my god.
It's strapped down. Do you want to unstrap it or keep it strapped?
No, I'll keep it strapped. Is it GP or no? Is it standard or GP shift?
Regular, yeah.
Okay. Oh man, my boy Andrew, he's back in the game. Let's go. Oh my god! Yo, this thing runs, bro. Holy, this is the fastest newer S1000 I've been on. Dude, you can just hear the way it idles. This thing runs. Andrew's always had just bikes that have ran really good, so. I think he is gonna let me take this out and do like a full ride and review on it, so. This thing's a fucking rocket ship. Oh, it's so easy to back up. I know. Dude, how does it hook so good in front? I guess because it's slammed.
That tire's
Dude, bro, I always know when I hop on a bike by you, it's gonna run.
Yeah.
You make fast bikes, dude. This is the fastest newer S1000 I've been on, hands down. Did you?
I might have. I haven't had them yet.
Oh, okay.
It can get a little more juicy.
Yeah.
I had to leave, dude.
Boy, look at the turbo. Did you do like any internals?
Stock motor.
Stock motor?
For now,
This is
motor blows up.
this is the K7, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's 07, 08, yeah.
Yeah. Dude, that's sick, bro. That's fire. That's fire. Before we go, I would like to give a big shout out to everyone who has helped make this bike come together. If you're looking for a good mechanic or having your wheels powder coated or even the bike ceramic coated, here's everyone that's got you covered. Be sure to drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the new bike, and I will see you guys in the next one.